everyone, we are here at Webblake enjoying our day and fishing. It's a pretty view. Hi Guaps!
Hi, yeah.
It's a pretty view. Thank you Lord for the beautiful day. I hope we catch fish. Thank you, Guapo Love. The birds are catching fish, trying to feed themselves. Enjoy the day everyone, and happy 4th of July! Let me know when you I drop the anchor, Guaps. Let me know when I drop the anchor. Beautiful view. What? We're gonna start fishing here, and after we fish, we're gonna swim too. So we're gonna enjoy our day here. Good job, Guapo Loves.
We're butting along with the 1956 5 horsepower Sea King with reverse.
Alright, bye everybody. We're gonna enjoy here now. Enjoy the view. Thank you, Lord. Pretty view. Bye. God bless.